Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to generate AI images in Adobe Express. In order to do that, first of all, you have to open Adobe Express on the web or mobile app. Ensure your device meets the technical requirements. After that, you have to log in using your Adobe Creative Cloud credentials or create a free Adobe Express account. Now, after that, after logging in, you will get to see this kind of interface. Now, just simply click on this generate with AI. It will generate the images from here. Just simply click on that. Now, from here, I will simply click on the generate image. These are the other things. Just simply click on the generate image. Now, it will give you a square blank page. Now, from over here, you can add the prompt what you want. For example, I have added a prompt which is a flying horse with the airplane wing soaring through a sunset sky. Now I have given the reference images which is not like prompt, but it's okay. It's a flying horse, so it will create a good image. Now you have to select the content type. For this tutorial, I will choosing photo. Now I will in the style I will choose popular, which is by default. Now just simply click on the generate button. It will generate the image. So this is the image he generated. This is a little good. If you don't like the result, you can just simply click on the generate more option. It will generate 4 more images. As you can see here, he provided 4 more results. Now this is, I think this one is good. Now if you want to refine your prompt, if the results aren't as desired, modify your prompt or explore different styles and effects to regenerate. For example, I don't like the color of this horse. I will just simply tell the edit the prompt that change the horse color to red. Generate. Click on generate. As you can see here, he changes the color of wings, not the whole horse. So this is the result he has given me. So if you want to resize the image, just simply click on over here, resize. From here, you can just simply get started with Instagram Square post, flyer, Instagram story. Just click on that and resize it. So it will resize whole image. So this is how you can create the AI image in the Adobe Express. Now, so this is how you can create AI generated image in Adobe Express.